Oops. Okay, another little video. Today is the 11th of April, and they are getting the rest of the pavimenti, such as it was, the flooring, out of here. And you can see the tubing for the electrical. Oh, this room's gonna be dark. Okay, anyway, I'll just show you a little bit of that. Same thing. You can see the wires coming down for the new electricity. So, cambiamo un po'. We walk a little. And there's my pretty view. And the windows are dirty, so it'll be better later. But anyway, let's see. Oh, I'll leave it shut for now because they might have done something. Okay.